I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Tomorrow is Taco Tuesday at Chipotle on 7th Street in Bell. Pop over between 4 and 8 p.m. and stay with NC. Check out NC Snake Zone for more info on how to make an online order. The proceeds will go towards making your homecoming the best one yet.
And now a word from around campus.
The Chiefs are champions of Super Bowl 57.
The NFL Club is a two-part club, so listen up. During the first part of the club, we follow the NFL season to the Super Bowl. We cover current standings, game highlights, news around the NFL, and more. During the second part of the club, we play games in small groups. No electronic or video games. We'll have a great time playing classic, old-school games. Come to the NFL Club, where we'll talk about America's #1 sport, play games, have fun, and meet new people in a safe after-school environment.
Hey Rattlers, tomorrow is going to be Taco Tuesday at Chipotle.
And just a reminder for our Spirit Week, Monday the week after our fall break is going to be Alien Abduction. Tuesday will be Cowboys versus Aliens. Wednesday is going to be Space Invasion, so Men in Black, things, stuff like that. Thursday is going to be our Apollo 13 day, and then Friday is Snakes in Space, where we're going to go all blackout or our homecoming t-shirts.
Speaking of homecoming t-shirts, we're doing a package deal where it's $25 with the door purchase and the homecoming shirt.